Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to hide numbers on the Android. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly click on the dialer. So after that you can see the options of 3 dot. So just click on it. And then you can see setting option, so just click on it. And then scroll down and here you can see supplementary service option, so just click on it. So after that here wait some second and you can see different options, show caller ID, call forwarding and call bearing. So just click on the show your caller ID. So when you will click on the show your caller ID, you can see two options, never and always. So just click on never. So when you will click on never, your caller ID will be hidden and your numbers will be hide. So guys, in this way you can hide number on Android. So guys, if you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.